Hello, dear students. Yesterday we learnt about food and production of plants or farming. Do you remember, Mrs. Green? Then tell me what was the full form of it? Heritage. Learn it again now. Now, yesterday we were discussing about our food, why we need food, from where we get food. As you know, we get our food from plants and animals both, but those animals are also dependent of plants. So ultimately we depend upon plants and that's why we grow them. When we grow plants at large scale, then it is called cultivation or farming. And why do we have to grow them on large scale? Due to very fast growing population, we need more and more food and crops. And what that word crops mean? Whatever a farmer grows in his fields is called crops. It can be cereals or pulses, or oil seeds, vegetables, or fruits. It can be sugar cane, it can be grass for fodder of their kettles. It can be medicinal plants, it can be fibrous plants, or it can be wood. These are some crops. As you know, we eat different kind of food, and for that we need different types of food items to prepare our food, like cereals, pulses, vegetables, fruits, sugar, tea, coffee, oil, spices, etc. So we have to cultivate different types of crops. Different type of crops need different type of climate, soil, fertilizer, irrigation, etc. Our country is very big and vast. Climate of our country varies from place to place. Temperature, humidity, rainfall, winds are different in different regions. Climate of a hilly area is very much different from climate of plains or desert or a hot place. So there is very big variety of crops grown in our country. And despite of this vast diversity, there are mainly two crop patterns are in India. First is Rabi crop and second is Kharif crop. Rabi crops are winter crops, for example, wheat, gram, peas, mustard, linseed. And Kharif crops are grown in rainy season as like paddy, cotton, maize, soybean, groundnut, etc. There is a short time crop pattern also grown in some parts of India which is known as Jayad crop. Crops grown in summer period, that is March to June, are called Jayad crops. Mostly in Jayad crop, climbing or trailing plants are grown such as cucurbit family plants. For example, pumpkin, squash, round melon, watermelon, cucumber, muskmelon, bottle gourd, snake gourd, bitter gourd, ridge gourd, ash gourd, pointed gourd, sponge gourd, etc. Now, what are basic practices of crop production? Do you ever think that why paddy is not grown in winter season? Because paddy requires a lot of water, therefore it is grown only in rainy season. To grow a crop, a farmer do many activities in a time period. Dear students, many of you will be from farmers or rural background or must have seen someone doing farming in your village or somewhere else, or you have ever grown some ornamental or vegetable plants at your home garden, kitchen garden, or in pot. So, what preparation you did for that? These preparations are also similar to what a farmer does. Have you done same like this list? Preparation of soil. First is preparation of soil. In Hindi, मिट्टी तैयार करना, खोदना या हल लगाना. Second is sowing, यानी बीज बोना. Third is adding manure and fertilizers, यानी खाद देना. Fourth is irrigation, यानी सिंचाई करना. Fifth is protecting from weeds, यानी खरपतवार निकालना या निराई गुड़ाई करना. Sixth is harvesting, यानी कटाई, जब फसल पक के तैयार हो जाती है तो उसको काटना, मड़ाई करना. एंड सेवन्थ इज स्टोरेज, या भंडारण करना, यानी उसे सुरक्षित रखना. नाउ you have learned this chapters apart. Now give the answers of some questions what you learnt in this section. You should make notes in your notebook also. First question is what is a crop? Second, how many types of crops are grown in India? Third is give 4 examples of plant grown in Rabi crop. Fourth is give 4 example of plants are cultivated in Kharif crops. And fifth is what is Jayad crops? Give some examples. Thanks. The chapter will be continued tomorrow.